Okay guys, greetings to all and welcome to Conspicuous Talent TV, bringing talent to people. I go by the name of Mdaka Amkelani. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter at Amkelani Wakamdaka. So today we'll be talking about Sho Madjozi, Maya Christina Shichabo, where Sheriff Sho Madjozi is a stage name. Sho Madjozi is a businesswoman, or she's business minded, and she's also talented. We cannot argue about that. It's a fact. She's talented and business minded. Okay, Sho Madjozi is like a father, it's a white man. A mother, it's a black Tsonga woman or woman. So so what happened is this: Sho Madjozi went to US to further her studies, which is great. And then Sho Madjozi came back to South Africa in 2016, where she was featured by Umalume Kulket in two songs, Ekci and Ngishisabe, which is also great. So let's talk about this. Why I say Sho Madjozi, she's business minded and talented at the same time. It's because how she entered the industry, music industry, the entertainment industry. Sho Madjozi used to do poems. She was a she was in poems. She called herself Maya the poet, which is also great. But let's check how she got into music, or how she decided to come as a Xitsonga artist. Sho Madjozi sat down and then checked ku ka hina Matsonga ku xota yini kahle kahle. Loko hi languta, yes, three-quarter artist leti endla kahle by then na sweswi va endla kahle, like the likes of Dr. Thomas Chauke a va endla kahle, va tirha kahle, but music wa Dr. Thomas Chauke a wu accommodate na genge ku swiveka hi ndlela yeleyo. And then Sho Madjozi a fika, and then she decided to do a song, first song called Udumi Phone. So what she checked there is this: what was lacking between the Vutsonga tribe or Xitsonga language, and then she came with a Udumi Phone, which went viral because it was all over the country, which means she did the research properly. And then so I can benefit this by doing this. In the meantime, she's uplifting the language and the tribe, and at the same time she's benefiting. And then after that, after getting all the exposure that she needed, she then came back with a Swahili song, Wuku. In Xitsonga we do have the word Wuku, but we refer to a chicken. But there Sho Madjozi is not referring to a chicken, she's referring to a guy who was having a crush on her but was afraid to approach her, and then wara like that. So, but the thing is, when Sho Madjozi came, she was first featured in a Gom song. She didn't even include one line of Xitsonga there. But when she came with Udumi Phone, she came like using a clean Xitsonga or Vutsonga, which is great. I upload there for that. So, but there were people who were talking, saying that Sho Madjozi is exploiting the tribe. Sho Madjozi, she's using Xitsonga for her own selfish benefits. So, do you think that's correct? If you think it's correct, leave your comment or your view in the comment section. If you think it's not correct, also leave your view in the comment section. Remember, we're not fighting, we are just engaging about this thing. Sho Madjozi is doing very well, and then some people are against the fact that Sho Madjozi is like label herself as Vutsonga. They argue that it's like her father is a white man and then her mother is a black Tsonga woman. So she was supposed to be referring herself as a colored, something like that. So, but Sho Madjozi is doing very well when it comes to her music. She's talented and business minded at the same time. So if you can check, it's like the way she came into music, you can see what it's like. She sat down before releasing her first song. Check, because she can speak isiZulu properly, she can speak Tsonga properly, English properly, and Swahili, and then what other language? So few languages. She will have chosen English to do her music, since it's like kind of a rap, hip hop. You will choose, you will decide for yourself. But she chose to use Xitsonga because something was lacking in that line, and then she came in that line and she prospered. And then I applaud her for that. So, do you think Sho Madjozi is exploiting the tribe of Vutsonga or Xitsonga language? You tell me in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe there for more content to come. Thank you so much for watching this video. Share with others.